Transformation in 3, 2, 1.
It's time to open the...
Mag-open na gifts na supposedly sa July 25 kanina open sa akong birthday, but I wanted to make a video para magpasalamat sa naghatag. Without further ado, let's open those gifts. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, gikan sa akong tita Annette from Japan. Kono gifto, hontou ni arigatou gozaimasu. It means thank you very much for this gift. First, chocolates. Dako kayo siya guys, murag sabon sa barita. Super big choco, super big choco do. Try to open. Okay, biscuit. Murag movie, utang yellow o pula. On to the next one then. Chocolate! Na nabrihan. We gotta give to the family. Aru photo. Guys, let's try one. Okay. So milky. Next are some ramen. My favorite. Kanang giguan na guys, lamig. Take it ah. And last one is Sweet Slim. Oh, mag-abs na tani. Kaman og chocolate kaya magpa-abs na ta guys. Ano siya guys? Igang siya. I-cheat niya ni. Search na ko and money ni gawas so. Okay, Tita Annette and Tito Naga. Next one, okay, know guys, well cut guys. Video from a close friend of mine and I also call family. Kogi Saguan. Let's try and open it. Char, ganit. Tinan! Ano ko yung mic guys? Pero kung correct ano ron, vlogger nito eh. Wow. First time ako magnani ba yun? Ano siya, baka nga nani. Tinan! Mga mic, Type-C cord, ikong sa area. Mic, ano siya yung magnet sa likod. Dito na may butang ang magnet. Ay wait, butang ako ikog sa iring.
Hello?
Pwede na ako mag-record rin, alapit na. Madunggan niya pa ninyo. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Tuloy akong tiyan guys. ASMR. On to the next one. Clothes. Yatang ni Lola. My very own Lola. Thank you Lola. No guys. Ta-da! This one. Talk by a moon. Sports.
Transformation in 3, 2.
Shorty told me that she got yellow fever, so I had to look at her crazy like, baby, you bugging, 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 bugging,
Thank you, Lola, for the cool shirts.
I really like it. Now for the final gift. I already know what this is.
It's a shoe.
Shoe, my good. Let's open it. Uy, ni balas, man.
Ano siya?
Tita Roxanne, thank you ta. Ni guys, kita nawa. Wala akong okay guys.